Okay, how big do you think it's going to explode now?
What? Hey, Uncle Mike, why don't you just dump the whole bag in there?
No.
What, you want to fill the house up?
Coco wants to watch.
I guess you can buy more of that stuff when
Just
you
put a little
buy.
lung phlegm in there for effect.
You want to watch? You want to watch?
Dinosaur boogers.
What?
Did you wake Coco up?
She wasn't asleep.
What's that you're putting in?
Citric acid.
What went in before?
Bisodium barbiturate.
What?
Sodium bicarbonate.
It's supposed to be funny.
You're so dainty.
I think that's supposed to make you burp if you,
Drink it.
It's like an Alka-Seltzer.
Isn't it? Yeah.
It's Alka-Seltzer.
Is it vinegar? It makes you burp.
What is doing that volcano, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay, here's some water.
It's the red water up there.
Don't we need more than that?
I don't think so.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, huh?
Pour it in all at once.
I would.
Cool.
Well,
Let's do it again.
I'd throw a Viagra in there on top of it.
This is going on YouTube.
Don't splatter it.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh.
Pretty cool.
Ooh. Pink fountain.
That's lava.
It's pretty cool, guys, isn't it?